In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Apple stock. My dear friends, this stock has given a breakout from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been triggered, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a big upside rally gets started. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was in top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward parallel channel, the stock got corrected by the price-wise, and there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the third here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got break on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where the game started to change. This is an area where we got in two major breakout. The first one is downward parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, and the second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we mark that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move as far as its lower lows is protected. And my dear friends, now we will see the most important breakout, the most important, the signal that will be a chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to witness there is a positive chart pattern breakout. If you'll make a look over here, you will able to see there is an inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout. This pattern, it's an we in technical terms we call this pattern as an inverted head and shoulder pattern, and it's a very high probability pattern. Whenever this pattern get trigger, it's give a high probability move on the buy side. So now the first targets of this, the first target of this patterns comes to near to an $280 will be the first target that will marked in green color, and second target will be very soon we'll see $285, and in between there will be some resistance the stock may face. There's a possibility that stock may face and rejections somewhere around $275. And my dear friends, this area of neckline, so far this wasn't resistance, but now this resistance has turned into an important support because multiple positive factors got trigger here. This was an area where downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. This is an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we have seen the positive chart pattern breakout, inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout on the buy side. So with due respect to all the positive breakout, this area of neckline so far wasn't resistance, but now it is now this resistance turn into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos.